Hello, welcome to part 3 of our app creator series. I'm going to quickly run over the module section. Now I want to mention beforehand that a lot of these features in this module section are more advanced features. I'll go over the ones that are pretty simple for beginners to use, as well as kind of describing to you what the purposes of all of these things are. So I'm starting here. With training videos, this is all of the videos created by our app creator service to help you understand the features and some of the important things that you can do with the app creator. We recommend watching some of these videos if you want to know how to use some of the features available in the features section in the editor. Quickly here, loyalty analytics, if you were to click on this, would take you to your loyalty center where you can see the people who are loyal to your app as well as your loyalty feature. The import-export users, if I were to click here, it would take you to a screen where you can import or export users in the form of a CSV file. Campaign analytics, if you were to run a campaign, you could see how that campaign is going here with some analytics. Mega messages, you can send some through this window here. The website builder, this is going to be sort of like a mini site builder within the app creator. You can use it to create a web version of an app and use some of the tools there. There is videos available on this in this section. User groups. The user groups, if you have a type of user group that you've created through a feature, it would be available to view here. The app icon maker. This is a really cool feature if you guys want to customize your own icon, the icon that goes on your phone background, like where you would select your applications. You can see here we have some widgets here, some designs. You can put an image in the background and in the foreground put some sort of icon. Then down here under that you can apply some mega tags. If you have coming soon, we're going to have appointment feature here with an appointment calendar. If you were to go here, it would open up some multi-language tutorials. We are working on those. They will be available in the future. And then device preview. This is sort of the same thing that appeared in the editor section, except here you'll be able to preview on not just cell phones, but also iPads and some Android tablets, as well as desktop computer size screens. So that is basically everything. A quick run through of the module section. There is a lot of stuff going on here, and we highly recommend checking out the training videos for a lot of these features. But overall, you guys should be able to now use the app creator to its full function. I'm glad that I was able to provide some help to you guys with these videos. I hope they are very helpful to you. Please stay tuned for all of the other tutorials we have in our tutorial section. And as always, have a great day.